Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to be putting on the new tires with the powder coated, refurbished, restored wheels and see how they look. Here they are. They look really nice. Very happy with everything, the way it turned out. The powder coating on the original wheels looks great, and the American Classics with the white wall just look great. So let's get this on the car. Now, because these are powder coated, I'm noticing there's some thickness here that wasn't there before. So it's making them pretty snug when they get put onto the hub. Leave that on like that. And then we'll just pound it in a little bit with a mallet. Just gonna put the lug nuts on by hand first. And then after, I'll just spin them in with a socket wrench. And then after that, I'll bring over the torque wrench and get them tightened down to spec. It's the first time that I've used a torque wrench to do these. For the life of the car, I pretty much just used the tool in the trunk and it hasn't been a problem. But I have the torque wrench, so I figured let me give that a shot. Why not? Now wait till I get all four wheels on and have the car's weight on the wheels before I tighten these down all the way. So that's the first wheel mounted. We'll go around now and work our way around the car. They're equally tight in here on the hub, again, because of the powder coating. Okay, we'll just turn these in with the socket wrench. All right, there's all four tires on the car. Let's take it off the jack stands and put it back under its own weight. All right, so we're gonna lift the car up a little bit to get the jack stands out from underneath the rear here. Okay, and now we're gonna slowly lower it down. All right, now let's do the front. The Daytona jack underneath the front cross member. We're gonna lift up the front end, free up the jack stands, pull them out. All right, there she is. Back down on her own weight. Let's tighten up those lug nuts. We have the B series, that's the Caprice, and it's got 7/16. Also same for the G series, that's gonna be 110 Newton meters or 80 foot-pounds. So we'll just double check that to make sure we use the right settings. And so just have a caliper here. We'll pull this in, take our measurement. Measured the thread size here. We're at 7/16. Right there where I'm pointing. So we're going to use 110 Newton meter or 80 foot-pound setting on the torque wrench. Okay, that's down. Let's go on to the next one. All right, all four tighten down the spec. A moment of truth. I think, looking at some of the comments and talking to family, and honestly, after 37, 38 years with the original Hubcaps here, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try the wire spoke. Now, if you remember from the other video, I unboxed these. They are OEM, original, never used. And so this will be the first time that they're used, and I think it'll look good on a nice new set of wheels and tires. Let's line this up. We got our valve stem down here at the bottom. We got a hole for that at the bottom. Try to line this up. I think that looks really nice. We'll try that for a while. Can always change back to the originals. Let's put the others on. I actually find it's a little easier. The mallet's not heavy enough that if I hold it in the center, put my knee or something on one side here, and then just pound it in with the back of my palm, like this, it tends to go in a little more evenly. Then I can get it nice and even seated, just like that. I think that works better. Got all four of the new spoke hubcaps on the car. I think they look great. It's nice to change things up, especially after so many years. And the good thing is, I think we can switch back and forth between these and the original style hubcaps. This depends on what we feel like. So, let me know what you think in the comments. Glad this project finally came to conclusion, and hopefully I'll have some more videos. Thanks very much for watching.